So today we will discuss about the joints and the types of joints. Now basically, first of all, what are joints basically? Joints are what? Joints are formed when two bones are joined, or basically it is between one bone and cartilage, that is known as joint, right? Now, types of joint. A joint is the articulating functional junction of two or more bones. There are approximately 360 joints in our body. So this is a thing to remember, that there are 360 joints in our body. Joints are classified by the type of tissues that bind the bone at each junction. The major groups of joints are fibrous joints, cartilaginous joints, and synovial joints. So first thing to remember is that how many joints are there? So there are all approximately 360 joints. Now, fibrous joint. These joints hold the bone by dense connective tissue containing collagenous fibers. So basically, fibrous tissue joints, basically that hold the bone by dense connective tissue. Basically, here there is no movement. No movement is there, right? Now let's see the example of this fibrous joint. Okay, basically the joints between the cranial bone. The joints between cranial bones are basically known as suture. They are known as suture. So suture are what? Suture are basically joints between the cranial bones. So here these basically, as you can see over here, this is basically suture. So it is connected by a dense fibrous connective tissue. So here this is what? This is the fibrous joint. Now we have another example, is that, okay, here this is ligament, fibula tibula. Okay, in this root of tooth, socket of alveolar process, in the periodontal ligament, basically here it is stated that in our tooth, the root of tooth, here we have this fibrous joint over here, right? Next. Okay, now let's talk about the cartilaginous joint. Basically, joints which join two bones articulated by hyaline or fibrocartilage. Basically here we have in this we have hyaline cartilage. We have basically we have white fibrous cartilage over here. In this cartilaginous joints, we have white fibrous cartilages over here in this cartilaginous joints, or we can say we have hyaline cartilage over there.